Are we seeking happiness? Or seeking has become our happiness? What are we searching? Even we lack that understanding. In this mechanical world, we are running with no time for ourselves, just abandoning nature's precious gifts. We believe what we see, but does it stay in our heart? Does it give happiness? No. Waves touching our feet, raindrops gliding in our face, hair flying in wind, soaking in golden sunshine, walking in wet grass, fragrance of flowers, trees full of leaves, dazzling moons, sparkling stars. We are surrounded with these countless treasures, but we are bounded with time. Time, an illusion. Try to hold, it runs. Let it go, it disappears. If time decides our life, then present becomes a shadow. If you stop searching the light of happiness, even our shadow becomes void. So just give yourself a moment. Savor in nature's scent. To feel alive and be yourself again.